only for size, oh, a biggie man, a biggie man, a biggie man.
Please be seated. Your Excellency, the trustworthy governor of Rivers State, Your Excellency, our dear leader, our dear mentor, the former governor of Rivers State, Sir Dr. Peter Otunaya Odele, Your Excellency, the wonderful deputy governor of our state, Professor Ngozi Mma-Odo, the Honorable Speaker of the State House of Assembly, the chairman of our party, the single senators that are here. I've seen the senator representing Rivers East and the senator representing Rivers Southeast. Former Senate President, chairman of our great party, the chairman of the Rivers State Traditional Rulers Council, and members of their council, particularly the NDDC, the paramount ruler of Port Harcourt, the former president of Nigerian Bar Association, Sir Chief OCJ Okuta, members of National Assembly and State Assembly that are here, the zonal chairman of our party, Chief Dan Obi, members of the State Executive Council, our dear leaders, chairman of our Elders Council, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the day the Lord has made, and we have come to rejoice. Several months ago, or 1 year ago, when the governor was elected as the flag bearer of the People's Democratic Party, so many doubting Thomases were saying, we are not sure of this kind of the governorship candidate they have given us. He is so quiet, he doesn't talk, we don't know what will benefit. The man who doesn't talk has shown action. So many people think it's only when you go to the media that's when you have something to offer. Before I left office, the last Executive Council meeting, which he himself attended with his deputy, the Executive Council approved that this ring road should be constructed by the next administration. We did everything we could do. We attended meetings in Germany, in Wiesbaden, 3 times, with the Commissioner of Works, with the DG of Due Process, negotiating. And we thank God Almighty that He has shown that He has the capacity, He has the will to carry out this project. Some of you may not understand what the Commissioner of Works described here, but he speaks a lot of grammar, which most of you may not understand. I thought the Commissioner of Works were broken it down to the language we, the commoners, will understand. If you know what this road, we are talking about a road that has 6 flyovers, and 1 bridge across the water. Now look at what Port Harcourt is today, and see when this ring road is completed, what Port Harcourt will be. Some people in 2007 and 2008, there was a time in a month, we got 100 billion naira. And that time I was the chief of staff. And we said we are going to carry out this ring road. We put 100 billion in an account in First Bank for the ring road. Up to today, there's no ring road. Ken Chikere is here. He was the Attorney General then. But look at today. A man has spent only a month in office, he had awarded a job of 195 billion, and he has paid 150 billion. It is not I will do, it is I am doing. I challenge any state in this country. I challenge any governor today that will say that he has the chest, he has the capacity, not only to award contract, but to award a reputable company called Julius Berger. 195 billion, and you pay 77%, 150 billion, and then you want to joke with such a governor, something must be wrong with you. So many people may be angry. So many people may be angry. Why are we spending this amount of money? Yes, he will have shortfall of cash, yes. But for whose interest? For the interest of our people. Nobody can develop this state other than us. What federal government can do for you from time to time is to see if there's any federal road or try to cite one federal project. But to develop their state squarely lies on us here. And what the governor is doing today to say, look, I love my state. I'm happy. This mandate they gave to me, I will not take it for granted. I want to start from the first day to show them that the mandate they gave to me, I will not disappoint them. And that's what we are doing today. Mr. Governor, this is a legacy you may not understand. By the time Julius Berger finishes this work, your children will be happy. Your people will be happy. When you are leaving office, you go home triumphantly like I did. When I went home happily. When I went home, I was walking majestically. When I went home, my people lay close for me to march on the ground. And that is what you are doing today. That the day you are living with your shoulders high, that you have made your people happy. That is what we'll talk about governance. Don't bother about those who have conquered. When you have conquered a people, you have conquered a people. So don't bother. When you have people who are conquered, what do you expect them to do? Do what you are doing. We are here monitoring them, and we will choke them. Don't lose any sleep. We have no work now, we are pensioners. So all we will do, anybody looking for a trouble will appear. And tell them that, look, we are already the troublesome people, we are waiting. So, Mr. Governor, God will continue to bless you. I'm proud that I'm the one to flag off this project. As I'm flagging off this project, my belly is with me.
I say, I see they pain them, he go they sweet us. I see they sweet us, he go they pain them.
And other people, as I'm flagging off the project, their belly they pain them. If he didn't dare, he didn't dare. So, Mr. Governor, I don't know when you finish this project, whether there's anybody again in the state that will come out in Rivers State to say, I want to run for governorship. They will ask you, what are you running for? Is it possible? Is it possible? Now, you are not only doing this project. The other day, I went to Chief Awuse's house. The road will start out from Emowa, going to Telma Junction, is going on. The other day, I was going to Amok. The flag of it from Ahuda to Amok is going on. The other day, I went to my community as a pensioner. The last internal road is going on. On 27th of May, I flagged off the Opopo Ring Road, is going on. Again, the Anthony Road, which you cancelled the contract, You have re-awarded the contract and you have paid the contractor. It's going on. Go to Oyibo. The road has been completed. Go to Omagwa. It has been completed. Go to Bakri. You have completed it. Look at the schools. You have completed it. What you will show in 100 days, Nigerians will be shocked. And that's why we say continuity and consolidation is the answer. In your 100 days in office, Nigerians will see. In your 1 year in office, Nigerians will marvel. Who will not be happy when you see good things? But let me also advise you, this good thing you are doing today attracts envy, attracts gang up against you. You will see a lot of gang up against you amongst your peers, particularly in your region. Instead of them to appreciate, they will be asking, what is he trying to show? Just like his predecessors did. Don't bother about those things. What you must bother about, what good you will do for your people. Ordinarily, this project you are doing ought to be done by NDDC if it was a development commission. Unfortunately, what we have is Niger Delta cash cow. Unfortunately, look at when NDDC started, when they established in this region. Assuming NDDC has carried out a project of this nature in every state, then you would have wondered what the Niger Delta would have been. So it's a cash cow. It's not a development commission. So those of you who are saying that we have Niger Delta Development Commission, please change that phrase as Niger Delta cash cow. All they do, they go to a primary school to say they are building 6 classroom block, which nobody told them to do. All they do, they find 1 2-kilometer road that leads to one big man's house. They do. And that is why today, everybody's scattering, oh, I want to be chairman of NDDC. I want to be chief of NDDC. All because of cash cow. I believe Mr. President will change what we used to have as this cash cow to bring development to Niger Delta. I've never seen a region that hates itself like our region. I've never seen that. All you hear, Ijon, no ko Ijon, Urobo, not Isekere, Huron, not Ibibo, Ikwere, not Eche. That is just what you hear. Nobody talks about development in our region. God blessed us. Unfortunately, we have let it go. If NDDC will come to any state and say, State A, what do you want? State B, what do you really want us to do? State C, what do you really want us to do? I have a synergy with the states that make up the commission. By now, we would have gone far. But what you see, anybody that is coming, oh, I was told to do this. People from Abuja, people from West, people from East, everybody will carry portfolio. I challenge what you call the cash cow. If they really want to develop, let them come and support you by taking it from Borokiri down to Okrika and then end at Ales Eleme. In that case, the entire ring road is completed. And how many kilometers from Borokiri to Ales Eleme? How many kilometers? Not up to 20 kilometers, not up to 15 kilometers. Mr. Governor, I went to court when I was governor to challenge NDDC. They cannot come to our state and carry out projects without our knowledge. And we defeated them. The court said, look, you cannot destroy the master plan of a state. You need to dialogue with the state and know. So what you should do, tell them your problem now is this. They should forget any other thing. They should come and start that up from Borokiri, fly over to Okrika, then end up at Addis Eleme. That's what you want. That's what you want. You don't need anything. Even the one that agree with us, that we are going to do Eastern Bypass, where their office is, we agreed 5 billion naira to Johannesburg to do. Up till now, they've not bought their own cover. We have paid the 5 billion. That is what you call a commission that is supposed to carry out development in the region they think that they should cover.